What if I told you that sometimes the strongest attraction is the one that is never spoken? The kind that hides behind quiet glances, small habits, and moments so subtle that most people miss them completely. What if the girl you think is just being polite or friendly is actually trying to show you she likes you in ways she hopes you will notice, without her ever having to say it? And what if, by the end of this video, you could finally stop guessing, stop overthinking, and start understanding exactly what her actions really mean? Because today I will show you 7 signs a girl is attracted to you but will never say it out loud. The first sign is she finds ways to be around you, even when there is no clear reason to. This is one of the most powerful signs because it is based on natural human behavior. People are drawn to what they like, and when a girl is attracted to you, she will often place herself in your environment without making it obvious. She might sit closer to you when there are many other options. She might show up in places where she knows you usually are. She might join conversations you are part of, or linger longer than necessary just to stay near you. None of this will feel forced. It will feel casual and almost accidental. But when you step back and look at the pattern, you will notice it happens more than it should by chance. And that is because it is not chance. It is intention hidden behind normal behavior. She wants to be close to you because being around you makes her feel good, even if she does not fully admit that to herself. The key detail here is consistency. Anyone can be around you once or twice, but when it keeps happening again and again, that is when you know there is something deeper behind it. The second sign is she remembers small details about you that most people would forget. This one is important because attention is a form of attraction. When someone likes you, they naturally focus on you more. They listen more carefully and they remember things without even trying. She might remember your favorite food, the kind of music you mentioned once, something you said about your childhood, or even a random comment you made in passing. Later, she brings it up like it is nothing. But it is not nothing. It shows that when you speak, she is not just hearing you, she is truly listening. In a world where most people are distracted and forgetful, that kind of attention stands out. It shows emotional investment. It shows that you matter to her in a way she is not openly expressing. The more specific the detail she remembers, the stronger this sign becomes, because people only store that kind of information when they care. The third sign is her body language gives her away, even when her words do not. Body language is often subconscious and harder to control. When a girl is attracted to you, her body naturally reacts to your presence. She might face you directly when talking, even in a group setting. Her feet might point toward you. She might lean in slightly when you speak, showing that she is engaged and interested. She might play with her hair, adjust her clothes, or mirror your movements without realizing it. Then there is eye contact, not just normal eye contact, but the kind that lingers a little longer, followed by a quick look away when you catch her. These are all small signals, but when they happen together, they create a clear picture. It is like her body is speaking a language her words are not. If you learn to notice these signals, you will start to see what she is really feeling, even when she says nothing about it. The fourth sign is she teases you or jokes with you in a playful way. This is something many people misunderstand because it does not always look like attraction at first. Sometimes it looks like she is just being funny or even slightly annoying. But playful teasing is often a sign of comfort and interest. When a girl likes you, she wants to create a unique connection, something different from how she interacts with everyone else. Teasing becomes a way to do that. She might joke about something you said, give you a nickname, or challenge you in a light-hearted way. The tone is the most important part. It is not meant to hurt you. It is meant to create a fun back and forth, a kind of playful tension that keeps the interaction exciting. This kind of behavior shows that she enjoys your attention and wants more of it. She is not just talking to you. She is engaging with you in a way that builds a deeper connection. The fifth sign is she acts differently around you compared to how she acts with others. This difference can go in many directions. Some girls become more energetic and talkative when they like someone, while others become quieter and more reserved. In both cases, the key is change. Something about her behavior shifts when you are around. She might laugh more than usual. She might stumble over her words. She might overthink what she says. Or she might suddenly become more aware of how she looks and acts, adjusting her hair or clothes more often. This happens because your opinion matters to her more than others. She becomes more self-aware in your presence, and that awareness creates a different version of her behavior. So if you notice that she is not exactly the same person around you as she is around everyone else, that is often a sign that you are not just anyone to her. The sixth sign is she makes an effort to stay in contact with you, even if it is in small and subtle ways. Attraction creates effort, and even when she is trying to hide her feelings, that effort still shows. She might text you first sometimes, reply quickly when you message her, send you something that reminded her of you, or ask simple questions just to keep the conversation going. In person, she might be the one who starts talking to you, even if it is about something small. The key here again is consistency. It is not about one big gesture. It is about repeated small actions that show you are on her mind. When someone keeps finding reasons to talk to you or stay connected with you, it is rarely random. It is usually because they enjoy your presence more than they are willing to admit. The seventh sign is she shows subtle signs of jealousy when other girls are around you. This is one of the most revealing signs because it comes from emotion rather than logic. She might not openly say she is jealous, but her behavior will shift in small ways. She might become quieter when you are talking to another girl. She might change her mood slightly. She might ask casual questions about who that girl is. Or she might tease you about it in a joking way. Underneath that humor, there is curiosity and concern. Jealousy in this context is not about control, it is about value. It shows that your attention matters to her and she does not want to lose it. So if you notice these subtle reactions when other girls are involved, it often means she cares more than she is willing to say. Now here is where most people get confused. They look for one clear sign, and when they do not see it, they assume there is nothing there. But attraction does not usually work like that, especially when someone is trying to hide it. Instead, it shows up in patterns, small repeated behaviors that together create a clear message. One sign alone might not mean much, but when you start seeing several of these signs together, that is when the truth becomes obvious. Your job is not to analyze every tiny detail, but to step back and notice the overall pattern. Another important thing to understand is that every girl expresses attraction differently. Some are naturally more expressive, and their signals will be easier to notice, while others are more reserved, and their signals will be more subtle. But no matter the personality, attraction always finds a way to show itself, even if it is in the smallest ways. That is why learning to read these signs gives you an advantage, because you start to understand what is really happening beneath the surface. And here is something most people do not realize. Sometimes she will never say it, not because she does not feel it, but because she is unsure or afraid of rejection or waiting for you to make the first move. This is where many opportunities are lost, because both people feel something, but neither one says anything, and everything stays stuck in that silent space between friendship and something more. If you start noticing these signs in a girl, the worst thing you can do is panic or overreact. You do not need to confront her or force a confession. Instead, you should respond naturally. Show interest back if you feel the same. Engage with her. Create more moments together and let things develop over time, because attraction grows stronger when it is given space and the right environment. At the same time, do not ignore the signs either. Many people miss opportunities because they assume they are imagining things or they doubt themselves. By the time they realize what was happening, it is already too late. So awareness is key. Once you understand these signals, you start seeing things more clearly, and that clarity gives you confidence in how you respond. There is also something deeper happening here. Attraction is not just about liking someone. It is about connection, about feeling comfortable and excited around a person at the same time. When a girl shows these signs, it often means she is starting to build that connection with you, even if she is not ready to put it into words yet. So the next time you find yourself wondering if a girl likes you, do not just listen to what she says. Pay attention to what she does. Watch how she acts around you. Notice the small details, the repeated patterns, and the subtle shifts in her behavior, because those are the things that reveal the truth. And once you learn to see these signs, everything changes. You stop second-guessing yourself. You stop missing opportunities, and you start understanding people on a deeper level, because you are no longer relying only on words. You are reading the full picture. At the end of the day, attraction is rarely loud. It is rarely obvious, and it is often hidden in plain sight. But for those who know what to look for, it becomes clear. Once it is clear, you have the choice to act on it or let it pass you by. And that choice is what makes all the difference between wondering what could have been and actually creating something real.